Well, now that the weather has warmed up and the rain has let up and we've seen our first 90-degree day, everyone is in the mood for summer, to get outside, dust off the grill, or pack up and head to the shore. But is Mother Nature going to cooperate over the next couple of months? Well, for the answer to that, I've looked at all the data once again to bring you my 2011 summer forecast. Tanning on a beach in the summertime sun. Don't you wish this was you right now? Well, pretty soon it can be. The temperatures are hot, summer is here, and this weather is going to be sticking around. Do you remember that pesky La Nina in the eastern Pacific which brought us a relentlessly snowy January and an overall cold winter? Well, it has weakened to what we call La Nada. La Nada is when the eastern Pacific is neither warm or cold, so we are said to be in a neutral state in the ENSO. This will impact the summer's weather, so with that said, here is the exclusive BP Weather summer forecast. June is going to be hot. It's already looking that way. Temperatures will be above the normal monthly high of 81 degrees. However, with an active thunderstorm season so far, precipitation should wind up to be around average of 4 inches. We will see 4 to 6 days in the 90s in June. July of 2011 will not be like July of 2010. Last year was a sizzler, with many days approaching 100 degrees and a few days making it there. This July we will be average, around 85 degrees. Precipitation will also be average, and we will see 8 days in the 90s. In August, though, the heat comes roaring back. It will be a sizzler. Temperatures will be above the normal monthly high of 83 degrees. However, with an increased risk of hurricanes impacting the region, precipitation will wind up above average. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. 6 to 9 more days will be at or above 90 degrees. For the entire season, we typically see 18 days in the 90s. Last year, with the scorching summer, we had 30. This year, I'm expecting a tamer summer, but still to be hot, with anywhere between 18 and 23 days spent in the 90s. As far as hurricane season is concerned, in typical La Nada years, we normally see an active season, and this year I expect to be no different. The only difference is, where will these hurricanes be ending up? Last year in 2010, with the Bermuda High parked just off the coast of the Carolinas, it steered most of the hurricanes toward the Gulf of Mexico and the southern part of the United States. This year, with the Bermuda High positioned farther north and farther out to sea, hurricanes will be steered up the east coast, and we should have a much greater impact in our area this summer. Here's the BP Weather hurricane forecast. Normally we see 10 named storms. I'm calling for 11 to 15 this year, with 6 to 9 hurricanes and 3 to 4 becoming major hurricanes. And that is above average, and that is the summer forecast.